It is almost midday, and as you can see, the tent is still up. We woke up at 7 and it was pouring with rain, and it continued pouring with rain more or less all morning, on and off. And we were contemplating having a rest day. We have enough food just about to have a rest day. There's 4 more days, and we've just about got 4 more days. I'm running out. I ran out of raisins this morning for my porridge. So it's not ideal to have a rest day. So what we think, it's brightened up a little bit now. Sort of still pretty grey clouds, so we're kind of expecting it not to be perfect weather today. But we're going to march on and see if we can get over at least the first pass, because today there's two passes. So we go over the first one, then down a couple of 100 meters, and then up maybe 150 meters or something. The second pass is not quite as tall as the first pass. So we've had a good look at the map, and we do think there are camping options between the 2 passes. So that's our kind of primary goal. And our stretch goal is just to get over both. But it's midday now. I mean, you know, it doesn't get dark until 10 p.m. No, I mean, it doesn't get dark until past midnight, but sun doesn't even go down until sort of 9 or 10 p.m. So we have plenty of time, but the afternoons have usually been worse weather. So we'll see. I mean, maybe it hasn't rained in the morning yet at all, really. So maybe today is just a weird day, and maybe it won't even rain in the afternoon. Maybe it's got it out of its system, but who knows? We shall see. If the weather's not so good, we'll probably camp in between the 2 passes, and if it gets better, then we may march on, try and do the whole day, but we'll see. Well, here we are on top of the first pass of the day. We've been going about 2.5. We've made really good time. I think lighter packs is something to do with that. Yeah, we've done about 4.5 Ks with 600 meters of climb in 2.5 hours, which is not bad going. We've been marching on because it's just been miserable weather. It's been drizzling the whole way, spitting with rain. Not really, I mean, enough to have our full waterproofs on, but not really enough to get drenched, thank God. And here we are on top of this pass. Somebody seems to have spent some time making little stone chortens. It's not quite Nepali quality, but there we go. There's a white prayer flag there again. It's the first time I've seen this in China, and for some reason they've sort of tried to make like a wall out of the stones here. But there we go. This is the first pass. I think we are probably going to head for the second pass if we can. It doesn't look particularly inviting to camp down there. We'll see. So yeah, we're going to march on. Probably have some lunch at some point. It doesn't seem to be raining quite as much now as it was earlier. Hope it brightens up. But there we go. Well, it didn't rain at all as we came down from the pass. There was lovely path. There was a path all the way. Came all the way down to the point where we were thinking of camping originally between the two passes. And because it was such nice weather, we decided to have a noodle lunch. And got the stove set up, got the water filtering, and then it just started spitting with rain, and as we were kind of making the noodles, it just got worse and worse and worse until it was raining pretty medium hard. So we've scurried over to a flat bit and put the tent up just roughly with a few pegs. And we've just finished off our noodles in the tent, and we are contemplating staying here tonight, depending on whether the rain stops or not. But it's still just spitting now. It always sounds like there's more rain when you're inside the tent, because it's got such a large surface area to splatter on. But yeah, I mean, this is a not too bad campsite. We didn't see any cows or anything, so we definitely could stay here. But what's the time? 4:30. It's about 4:30, so I mean, maybe it's time to stay here if the rain doesn't stop, for sure. Yeah, well, if you don't hear from me again today, we have stayed here the night.